Even if the Galaxy S23 Ultra is still a newcomer to the best phones list, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra speculations are starting to circulate. However, as phone manufacturers constantly plan for their following model, work on the following year's model is already well underway. As a result, anticipate a constant stream of Galaxy S24 Ultra leaks over the coming months, with the pace building up as the anticipated debut date of the phone, early 2024, draws nearer. There is some information available about what we may anticipate from Samsung's premium handset based on early leaks regarding the Galaxy S24 and rumors that are concentrated on the Ultra model. Even the mid-range Galaxy A54 has already made its appearance. The Galaxy S23 series was unveiled in February. In the second part of the year, it is anticipated that Samsung would concentrate its attention on releasing updated models of its foldable devices. The predicted Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 are expected to go on sale much earlier than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first quarter of the year is traditionally when Samsung releases its Galaxy S series smartphones, with February being the month of choice for the introduction of its newest flagship models. Consequently, it is expected that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be unveiled in February 2024 along with the rest of the S24 series. The vertical camera module architecture, which has a column of camera lenses cascading down the back of Samsung's handsets, appears to be a favorite of the company, and it is anticipated that Samsung will stick with this design strategy with the Galaxy S24 Ultra as well. Samsung is probably going to remain with what has proven to be well liked by customers, despite some concept designs suggesting a more drastic departure from this design language. That might be changed by the Galaxy S24 Ultra, whose maximum refresh rate is 144 Hz. Given that Samsung loves to highlight the gaming capabilities of its Ultra model, the quick processor, the large display, and the inbuilt cooling system intended to reduce performance lags, it's not a huge leap to picture the S24 Ultra incorporating this specific function. According to rumors, the Galaxy S24 Ultra would come with a brand new 3-10x variable foldable telephoto lens, with a periscope style. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.